Spiritual gifts carry a depth that transcends what is visible to the eye, a secret kept by greater forces beyond common understanding. These abilities, often subtle and mysterious, are not acquired but awakened, like a latent seed of power that grows as the individual opens up to self-awareness and the energy surrounding them. Some experience this awakening as an inner calling, driving them to seek something beyond daily obligations, a hidden purpose gradually revealed through moments of introspection, silence, and connection with the universe. Having a spiritual gift is more than possessing a talent or a special ability. It's carrying a divine responsibility, a commitment to one's own soul and the world around. Those with spiritual gifts are often sensitive people, able to perceive and understand what others cannot, and this sensitivity is the first sign that something extraordinary pulses within them. However, this gift does not emerge randomly. It appears to those with a heart willing to serve and a mind open to understanding the hidden truth behind apparent reality. That is why spiritual gifts in essence remain a secret, revealed only to those ready to see them as something sacred, a gift that must be cultivated, respected, and wisely used to bring light into the world. Recognizing a spiritual gift begins with a deep inner listening and paying attention to the subtle signs that appear in your daily life. It could be that moment when you intuit something before it happens, or the feeling of deeply connecting with the emotions of those around you, as if you are tuned into a frequency that few can perceive. These are indications that something greater is awakening within you, something that demands not only attention but a willingness to be understood and nurtured. The call manifests uniquely for each person and often comes during moments of silence, introspection, or challenges, when we are forced to look inward and seek answers that seem beyond rational reach. To recognize your gift, it is essential to develop a connection with yourself that allows space for reflection and self-knowledge. Often this process requires the courage to face fears, doubts, and even internal resistances, as accepting a spiritual gift also means embracing the responsibilities and changes it brings. If you feel that there is something more within you, something that drives you to seek a deeper purpose, do not ignore that feeling. This call is an invitation for you to discover your essence and align with a mission that transcends the physical world, a purpose that can impact the lives of others in ways you may not yet be able to imagine. Being chosen is much more than simply possessing a gift. It is embracing a profound responsibility that goes beyond personal interests, requiring commitment, courage, and humility. Those who carry a spiritual gift are destined to use it for the benefit of the collective, becoming a channel of light, compassion, and healing for the world around them. The responsibility of being chosen is not about status or recognition, but about a constant dedication to cultivating one's abilities and putting them in service to those in need, even if it means acting quietly, with no one ever noticing the impact. The challenges are many, as carrying a spiritual gift often leads to loneliness and misunderstanding from others. However, it is on this path that the chosen one finds true strength, learning to balance the weight of the mission with the lightness of gratitude and the wisdom gained. Spiritual responsibility requires a willingness to continually evolve, facing one's own fears and shadows so that through this inner journey one can offer the best of themselves to the world. It is a commitment to ongoing transformation, both of oneself and others, where each act, no matter how small, carries a power of healing and upliftment. Being chosen is ultimately an act of surrender to a greater purpose, where the ego dissolves and the spirit finds its true role in the symphony of existence. Developing a spiritual gift is a continuous process that requires patience, practice, and a deep connection with yourself and the universe. The first step on this journey is to cultivate self-awareness, allowing moments of silence and reflection where you can listen to your inner voice and discern the signs around you. Practices like meditation and contemplation are essential, as they help attune your mind and spirit, providing a space for intuition to manifest. Additionally, it is crucial to study and learn about spirituality. Reading books, participating in workshops, or even connecting with mentors who have already walked this path can offer valuable insights and accelerate your growth. Regular practice is another key element. As you begin to recognize your gifts, it is important to practice them frequently. This can include guided meditations, visualization exercises, or creative activities that nurture your spiritual expression. The environment also plays an important role. Surrounding yourself with people who share similar interests and who can encourage and support you on your journey can make a huge difference. Furthermore, it is essential to act with intention. Whenever you practice or use your gift, do so with an open heart and a genuine desire to help others and improve yourself. This pure intention not only enhances your abilities, but also attracts positive energies that amplify your development. Lastly, remember that the path may be filled with challenges, but each obstacle overcome contributes to the strengthening of your spirit and the refinement of your gift, transforming it into a powerful tool for your own evolution and that of others. The challenges faced by those considered chosen to bear spiritual gifts are diverse and often intense, requiring not only resilience but also deep emotional and spiritual courage. These individuals frequently encounter a sense of isolation, as their experiences and perceptions may be misunderstood or even rejected by those around them. This loneliness can lead to moments of doubt, where one questions whether they truly possess a gift or are merely deceiving themselves. Moreover, the pressure of fulfilling a role that entails great responsibility can be overwhelming. The chosen often feel an urgency to complete their mission, resulting in anxiety and fear of failure, as they are aware that their actions can significantly impact the lives of others. Another common challenge is managing expectations, both internal and external. Society often projects the image that those with spiritual gifts must always be in control, exemplify wisdom, and be immune to mistakes, which is an unrealistic expectation. This pursuit of perfection can lead to emotional burnout, where the chosen feel compelled to conceal weaknesses or vulnerabilities. Additionally, the chosen face the challenge of balancing their personal lives with their spiritual mission, often needing to forego certain comforts and conveniences in the name of their calling. However, it is crucial to remember that each challenge is an opportunity for growth and learning, and that by confronting these difficulties, the chosen become stronger, not only in their own journey, but also as a source of inspiration for others. They demonstrate that vulnerability and struggle are intrinsic parts of the spiritual path. Each step taken with courage and authenticity not only brings them closer to their true selves, but also lights the way for those still seeking to discover their own gifts. The legacy of the chosen goes far beyond material achievements or public recognition. It lies in the seeds of transformation and inspiration planted in the lives of those they touch and influence throughout their journey. A chosen one, by embracing their spiritual gift, becomes a channel of light that, through their actions, words, and presence, sows love and compassion around them. Each interaction becomes an opportunity to awaken the consciousness of others, prompting them to reflect on their own lives and seek a higher purpose. This legacy is not necessarily visible or immediately recognized, as it often manifests subtly through acts of kindness, words of encouragement, or even in moments of shared silence, where energy and intention communicate deeply. Moreover, the legacy of a chosen one is cultivated through the lessons learned in their own journey, the challenges faced, the vulnerabilities exposed, and the victories achieved that, when shared, become beacons of hope for others struggling in their own battles. The authenticity and courage to fully live their purpose inspire those who observe them, creating a domino effect of spiritual transformation that spreads far beyond their immediate circle. Ultimately, the legacy of a chosen one is the inheritance of wisdom, compassion, and resilience that endures in future generations, demonstrating that even in difficulties, it is possible to find light and meaning. This lasting impact reaffirms the idea that by living their purpose with integrity and love, a chosen one not only transforms their own life but also creates an echo of change and hope that resonates through time and space, touching hearts and souls on a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment.